Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Basshead here. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the Slapz Audio Oblivion V2, and this is going to be the 2 ohm version. It is a 12-inch subwoofer, pretty affordable, by Slapz Audio. I did a video on the 15-inch Oblivion version 1, and this is going to be the version 2 in the 12-inch because I prefer 12-inch subs rather than 15-inch subs. So without further ado, let's take a look at it. Hey guys, if you want to help the channel out, the affiliate links will be down in the description for Redodo Power, Power Queen, Slapz Audio, Serwin Vega, and Big Jeff Audio. Go down in the description and you can go look at the code for 5% off on your order. Alright, back to video. Alrighty, taking it out of the box here, it comes with a sticker, and it had pretty good foam protecting the subwoofer. I have this sticker on the car already. Maybe I'll put a new one on, but just take a look at the sub here. This is going to be the Oblivion 12-inch subwoofer. Just going to be a first glance at the sub. Nice little field test. Pretty stiff spider going on here. We got some 6-gauge terminals, dual tinsel leads going to the voice coil, and guys, this voice coil is going to be 4 inches, 4-inch voice coil, black coated coil, and it's going to be 4-layered. So magnet, I have to double check the magnet size, but I'll pop it up on the screen right now. So this is going to be the 300 ounce Y35 magnet, triple stacked. Also, it's going to have a high roll surround right here. X max is going to be 31 millimeters as said on the website, and I'll actually post some of the specs on the screen right now so I don't blabber on just with my voice. You can actually see it. I really like the dust cap as well. It's just pretty nice Slapz Audio logo on it. Overall, it's pretty beefy sub. I like how the spider is glued and screwed down. And overall, this is a very nice subwoofer, y'all. It's $270. We have a TI frame basket right here, and it's going to be a 2,000 watt RMS rated subwoofer, 4,000 watt peak power. So the actual weight of this subwoofer is going to be about 46 pounds. It's a pretty beefy sub, y'all. I carried it up here. It did weigh quite a bit, and we have the spider pack right here. It comes with 2 spiders in it, and like I said, it's going to be glued and glued and screwed down. Excuse me. And overall, this is a really nice looking sub. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about the V1, version 1. I didn't actually personally own the 12-inch version of the version 1. I'll pop up the version 1 on the screen right now. I did, however, have the version 1 15-inch, and that sub was actually a really great sub. It took the power, it took a beating, and it did really well on 2,000 watts. For a period of time. You can watch the video popped up on the screen. If you want to check that video out, go ahead, and that would be the version 1 of the 15-inch subwoofer. I'm pretty excited to deep dive into this 12-inch though, because on the channel I really love reviewing 12-inch subwoofers, y'all, and I'm really excited to get back into this with the Slapz Audio Oblivion version 2. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section on this subwoofer, and if it will do its rated power. If it won't, let me know what you think, and in the next video we're going to be putting this through a pretty good test and see how long it can survive for. I'm not going to purposely like blow this sub, but I'm gonna break this sub in the meantime, and in the next video we're gonna do a sound test and an SPL test, yeah, so can't wait for that.
All alone, I've been all alone. On my own, I've been on my own. But the devil trying to hit my phone.